let's unbox this My First Pretend purse set together. So this looks super adorable. This is for toddlers, 12 months plus. But I could see my daughter, who's 5 years old, also loving this as well. So let's see what we have in here. So this is a super cute little purse. All this detailing, the flowers, the little bees, butterfly, sun. That's so cute. Now let's unzip her. All right, so we have like a little compact here. That's cute. Okay, so pretend to do your makeup. We have a little cell phone in here. Ooh, a brush. Credit card, some money. And of course, we have our keys, car key, boop boop. And what girl's purse is a purse without some lipstick? That is a really cute set here with all of these items. My daughter is going to be absolutely obsessed with this. These keys, money, lipstick. There you go.